glow in the dark. Lebron, tingnan natin kung kung glow in the dark ba talaga. Lebron 22. Yeah. Lebron 22 testing glow in the dark. So yan. Alright, glow in the dark. Ilawan muna natin, charge. Tingnan natin kung glow in the dark talaga. Yan siya. Charge. Alright, mother father you. Glow in the dark, oh. Alright. Blue yung pagka glow in the dark niya.